these are the supplies that I'm using for my collab, for my project in the Holiday Cookie Divas Fall Challenge called Cute and Cozy Fall Treats and Snacks. Yeah, it's called Cute and Cozy Fall Treats and Snacks. So, I am going to be working with these things, and hopefully I can pull all this together. So, let's get started. This is my final project. This is my final project for the Holiday Cookie Divas Fall Challenge, Cozy Fall Treats and Snacks, Cute and Cozy Fall Treats and Snacks. Flowers from the Dollar Tree, a pumpkin spice muffin from Dunkin' Donuts. I love these. I love this time of year. Some Granny Smith apples, chai tea, peppermint, and cinnamon sticks to go in my tea when I'm done. Another pumpkin topiary, all Dollar Tree pumpkins, and of course some of my blue and white collection. The harvest sign I painted black. That's one of three that I got from Dollar Tree. They're $3-4 harvest. I don't know, thank you and welcome, I think. I painted it black. My tray, which is really a cutting board that I displayed in one of my recent videos, my fall collective haul, and I will leave that somewhere here and in the description box. Leave a link to that. But I'll also leave a link to the playlist for this Cute and Cozy Fall Treats hosted by the Holiday Cookie Diva. So please go over and check out the other participants. Enjoy the playlist. I am certain you are going to see some fabulous contributions. Thank you guys for riding with me. Thank you for your continued support. And I will see you all in my next production. Bye, guys.